Hey guys, so today we're planning on doing the gardening. We're doing the raised beds, putting the felt on underneath it. Here in a second you'll see the time lapse of it. It's gonna be really cool because we think we got 4 beds. It's gonna rain tomorrow. We're located in Oklahoma. As you can see, chickens back here, ducks back here. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Welcome to the Glory Hills Homestead.
Okay, we're working on our garden beds. This is
we got the Blooming Crazy
Yeah.
from Conscious Community Co-op in Edmond, Oklahoma. Shout out to them. But it is all organic compost. Very important. The mistake that I made, I got Miracle Grow, and it wasn't organic at all. But so I went ahead and returned it and got this organic.
And it was way cheaper.
It was like $2 a bag versus $8 a bag.
We saved a lot of money getting this kind.
But
So what did you do so far?
So far, again, we got 4 raised beds and then a half bed right here. What we're gonna do is, in the farthest bed, we're gonna do cucumbers. This closer bed, we're doing all onions, and then tomatoes and peas. And then over there will be our
Peppers.
Something else. What else are we gonna do?
Hot peppers.
Hot peppers. Yeah. Bell peppers and hot peppers.
So what he did is he put 2 bags in each bed, and then he's gonna mix our
Very sandy
ground soil in with it. We have very sandy soil.
Yeah.
So he's gonna mix it all together and maybe add a 3rd bag on top.
You guys are dirty.
Isaac, let me see your face.
You guys having fun? Yeah. You liking riding on the cart? Yeah. Good. Hey guys, okay, so what we ended up doing is 2 packs of the organic on each of the beds, and then I dug all the sand from out there and packed the beds, and then we did 1 pack of organic mix on top of it and mixed it into the soil. And the idea behind that is I want a strong organic base, and then some organic matter mixed in with the soil as well. It's just worked out for us in the past. Again, remember, this is sand. It's a whole new
element.
We'll say realm or element, yeah, that we're having to work with.
We had no sand at our last place.
Yeah, we had like a clay-based.
It was
soil,
half clay,
so
half loam.
it was a good soil to work with. But again, this is all new for us.
With the sand.
Yeah. So hopefully it's a good garden this year.
But we moved a lot of sand. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 full ones and 1 half one so far. And then we plan on doing a railroad tie one right here once we source it.
My nose is running, but we're gonna have to plant some of it tonight, and we won't get it on film, unfortunately, for you guys.
It's getting dark.
Part of the reason is, yeah, it's getting dark, but there's a storm moving in tomorrow. So we want the water from the storm, the rain, to water our garden instead of us, have to be out here watering it ourselves. So yeah, that's just a little update on what we've done so far.
It's a beautiful night.
If you guys have any questions, comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe our page. Thank you.